In the rain-soaked country lane, I drove slow. Memories of a roadside cafe, like a whisper, they grow. Whispers of laughter, echoes of love, in a place where time stood still under the old oak tree above. The walls held stories, the floor was warm. Every chair had a tale, every table a storm, a faded sign. Welcome all who pass by. In the quiet, the memories never die. Slide guitar waves trip, how drums sigh, strings sweep across the sky. A melancholic sigh, through the mist, a ghostly light. Memories dance in the rain, just like the night. I sit alone in the quiet and cold, looking at shadows of what once was told. The cafe scent, a sweet sad perfume in the